This is our Pulong Santa Cruz document processing system admin account. As an admin, you'll get to use a lot of tabs, including the tabs that Residence has. One of the most important tab here is the interactive dashboard, which can visualize the system information for better reports. Another one is the request tab, where you can view, approve, or reject a request. We also have Employee Accounts tab, which shows the table of employees, a User Accounts tab, where it shows the table of users or residents. The admins can interact with the residents using posts. The admins can also post on events. And lastly, they can also post an announcement. That is all for admin. Thank you. This is our Pulong Santa Cruz document processing system super admin account. Super admin has all the capabilities of users and admin combined for superiority purposes. It has everything from admin functionalities to resident interactions. Most importantly, it has an audit trail which can also generate a report. That is all for Super Admin account. Thank you.